Hi guys, this is Arshal Gosavi, and today our topic is what is an recursion in Java. So basically, nowadays we are discussing about strings and arrays, but uh, near from that or in front of that, there is an one more important concept in Java, that is an recursion. So basically, recursion. What is the standard definition of our recursion is uh, when you call the recursion or when you describe recursion in one sentence, then it can be this type of sentence is that which is the loop call itself, it is nothing but recursion. The name itself contains that recursive function that implements itself. uh, what the meaning of that word of that recursion is that the loops called itself, that is nothing but an recursion. So this is standard definition of our recursion. According to the basis of that our definition, we can say that the when we discuss about our normal loops formation and our recursive loop formation, then you keep in mind at the time of comparison, that is for normal loops and for recursive loop, there are two scenarios on the basis of recursion is there. So first of all, we discuss about our recursion, then we'll talk about normal loops and how it can be different than normal loop execution function, and how it can be if or is the recursion is better than that normal loops or not. So these are some simple questions we are having answer of that, but we'll discuss that answers after our discussion on the for basic or normal loops and recursive loop. So first of all, we discuss about our recursive loop. We know that the recursion is nothing but the loop called itself. So in that there are two types of loops. First one we can say direct loop and indirect loops also. So what is that direct loop and what is the indirect loop contain meanings in a recursion. So direct loop is nothing but the loop which called itself for execution. So this is an direct loop. Direct means the word that having important is that the loop, if we are having loop I for execution, then at the time of calling that loop itself, I loop called repetitively itself. What we can say, in our normal loops we can call that loop by executing repetitively function, and in our recursion we can call the loop by in nothing, it called itself, and directly it called itself. And what is the indirect recursion loops? That indirect recursion loop is nothing but the loop inside the loop which is called by another loop. So if we are taking the scenarios of I and j loop in recursion, then if we call the I loop and sorry, when we execute the I loop, then inside that I loop we can create our j loop, or we initialize our j loop inside that I loop. But whenever we calling the j loop, then it execute that line of code whenever we describe or we initialize that code inside the I loop. Then that line executes first of all, and after that line, that code will go inside the j loop and execute j loop. What means it goes inside that j loop and execute j loop? It's nothing but that sentence of line code is executed in which is present inside I loop, and after that execution of that sentence j loops sentence, then it goes at that position where our j loop is present already, and then it calls j loop, and j loop itself called repetitively. So this is indirectly calling our j loop, or indirectly called recursive loop is there. So this is the basic what in recursion happens. And in normal loop uh, we what we can say that in normal loops we can execute the loop one by one normally, but here is the here in recursion that is exactly opposite. We first of all we execute j loop, then j loop calls or returns at the ith loop, and then ith loop executes that function, and I loop also returns in their output function. So recursive, this is the scenario where based on which is based on recursion, there is an reversely execution. Reverse execution is produced or implemented in our recursion. So basically these are the difference between normal loop and recursive loop. So if we know about the complexity and the resolutions, which resolutions and complexities are the simple than each other. So we say that the normal loops having slow fastly executed, but it taking an space complexity high. But in recursive loop it executes faster. Recursion is execute faster, and but it requires huge memory. And at the time of where is the recursion used exactly? At the time of factorization, or whenever we need that bit of loops, small bit of loops are executed one by one, then at that time we cannot use that normal loops. If you use that normal loops, then our time and space complexity will be increases, and memory allocation will also increase. But at that time we can use recursion and save our memory, and execution is going faster. So this is use of our recursion. Thank you.